Hey guys, it's Teacher La here. How you doing? It's been a really tough time being apart so long, right? I hope you're having a great time with your family and enjoy all the activities I will send to you. I was here wondering, as Easter is coming, what if we prepare a beautiful craft together? Let's do it!
To our Easter craft, we are going to need a white sheet of paper, a colored sheet of paper, something circle-shaped, a glue, an eraser, a scissor, a pencil, a marker, and crayons.
And this is my bunny, guys. I hope you had a great time doing yours. Please send us pictures, okay? Bye!